What's up, guys? See me with another reaction to a new SMLYTP video. Thank you much today. It's called SML Parody. Jeffy goes to IKEA. Okay, so in the video, Jeffy's gonna go to IKEA, guys. I think I've been to IKEA before, guys. I think just one time, guys. Yeah, I forgot what they have in there. Did they sell like stuff like chairs and like wood stuff, like clothes or snacks? Yeah, I don't know, because I forgot what IKEA sells, guys. So yeah. Because it's been a long time since I've been to IKEA. I only been there one time, guys. So yeah, let's see what Jeffy's gonna get at IKEA, guys. So yeah, before I start the reaction, guys, make sure to go subscribe to my second channel, guys. The link will be in the description, and make sure to go subscribe to my Fredita's channel. Channel link will be in the description. The channel link will be in the description, so you guys can subscribe to him. So not to bore you guys. Yeah, and my social media platform should be in the description, so you guys can follow me on all the social media. So not to bore you guys. Yeah, and the original video link will be in the description, so you guys can watch it. So. And make sure to go subscribe to SMLYTP if you already have subscribed yet, so you get 1 million subscribers. So yeah, anyways, let's get into this reaction.
Hey, Daddy, think you can give me $20?
$20 for what?
I just want $20. You give it to me?
Wait, $20 for nothing? No way!
Come on, Daddy, it'd be great. Give me $20. Come on.
Absolutely not!
Daddy, just give me $20.
Hell no!
Come on, Marvin. Give my boy Jeffy $12.
Jeffy, I'm going to the bathroom. You don't do anything stupid, okay?
I'm gonna do something stupid. Yo, what's up, Jeffy? All right, guys, I got a task for the three of us. Okay.
Gonna make good cash.
All right, do you see the TV in front of us? Yeah?
That's big as hell.
All right, we're gonna take it off the wall, take it outside, and we're gonna smash it. Oh my God, why would we do that?
Ooh, that's
Why do you want to
Well, my daddy wouldn't give me $20. Oh, okay, yeah, let's do it.
I'm in.
All right, let's go. All right, Junior, you and I are going to get the right side of the TV. Joseph, you're going to get the left side.
Wait, dude, you're saying Armstrong is 2 people?
No, we just have an uneven amount of people. Yeah, so it's going to be harder for you to do it.
Oh, thanks a lot, guys.
All right, let's do it, guys.
Dude, why just have to be the biggest TV in the world?
I have no idea, Joseph. I have no idea why my daddy needs this big of a TV. Well, he is an old fart, so he needs a big TV in order to see. I mean, you got a good point, Junior. Let's do this.
A few moments later.
Guys, where the heck is my TV?
Hey, smashing it. Hey, smashing it.
Ow, my pickaxe, dude! Dude, I'm trying to find redstone. Stop it!
What type of Minecraft are you playing, Joseph?
Dude, you know redstone's like electricity, and like this is a TV. It's electricity.
Oh, good point, Joseph.
Come on, it's mine, dude. It's mine. Yeah.
And now it's really broken.
Heave ho! Heave ho! Heave ho!
Oh shit, guys, we've been caught.
My TV! Why would you guys do this? Hey, Daddy. Well, we're smashing your TV because you wouldn't give me the $20 I asked for, so this kind of bad. Yeah, we're just following what Jeffy told us to do.
Yeah, I thought I could mine and find some redstone and sell it, so
I put that in there good.
Sell to millions of people online with Shopify's social media and marketplace integrations.
Wow, what's the logic behind all this? Oh my gosh, Jeffy, you're so grounded. And Junior, I'm telling Braxton about this right now. Aww.
Wait, so what about me?
Well, you don't live here and your parents are dead, so nothing. I guess you're good.
Dude, let's go. I guess not having parents is actually good for once.
Braxton!
Braxton, wait to hear what Junior did.
What? Become a Mormon?
What? No.
What'd he do?
Well, him and Jeffy smashed my TV as much as they could.
What? Junior, get out of here!
Yeah, Dad?
Are you a Mormon?
No.
You're grounded for 1 month.
What? Why? Is it because of the TV thing?
Yes! You need to learn your lesson that you can't go around smashing TVs before you go around smashing mine.
Oh. So Braxton, I mean, now that I don't have a TV and stuff, is it cool if I just watch yours?
Yeah, that is if you're fine watching nothing but Charlie.
Yeah, sure, thanks.
5 minutes later.
Marvin's gonna have to watch stuff.
I'm bored.
Then why don't you go get your own TV?
Okay, I will. I head down to IKEA and grab a brand new TV. What? Why IKEA? Well, I need this brand new lamp, and I mean, might as well take the opportunity to knock out 2 birds with 1 stone. I mean, whatever it takes to get you to shut the fuck up. Oh, okay, wow. All right, bye. Sorry about that, Charlie. Why would he disrespect you like that?
Oh, this sucks, guys. I can't believe we got grounded.
I know. What are we supposed to do now? Dude, I mean, I'm not grounded. I'm just here, but sucks for you guys. My IKEA trip. Just gotta get a snack first. No way, he's going to IKEA?
Wait, what's IKEA? Yeah, Joseph.
Dude, it might be a furniture store, but it's not just any furniture store.
Well, what is it then?
When you go to IKEA, it's an adventure. It's so big, and there's so many different places and levels. And if you ever want to leave, you have to figure out the maze of furniture.
Whoa, we totally need to go. We should, but how are we going to get there? We're grounded.
Oh, dude, that's easy. Your dad's going, so we just sneak into his trunk whenever he's about to go.
Oh, perfect. Well, let's go before he leaves. Yeah, let's go. All right, guys. Now we're going to get into the trunk of my daddy's car. What type of stuff is in here, bro?
Shark flops?
Does this even fit him? It doesn't matter, guys. We just need to go right now. All right, let's go.
Okay, dude. All right. Now that I got that snack in, it's time to go to IKEA. Oh, yes, baby. I'm finally at IKEA. Time to experience the IKEA experience.
Oh, God, guys, that was awful.
It smelled like eggs in there.
Jeffy, why did your dad have to go to a place an hour away? I don't know, okay? Guys, let's just go to IKEA. Wait, we can't go in yet. If we go in right now, your dad's going to see us and we're going to get caught. Well, what do we do? Oh, we could just wait a few minutes.
Yeah, let's do that. Okay, first thing I got to do is find a lamp. I don't think that's going to cut it.
Oh, yeah, Marvin, what you up to?
Brooklyn guy, you work here?
Yeah, I work here. You caught me on my shift.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
So, do you need any help with anything?
Well, yeah, I'm just looking for a brand new TV and a new lamp.
All right, perfect. We can get you in and out here in 15 minutes. Let's go.
Okay, thanks.
All right, guys, it's been 10 minutes. I think we can go in. Yeah, it should be fine. You ready to go in, Joseph?
Let's do it, guys.
Whoa, guys, look at this place.
I remember why IKEA.
All right, you guys ready for an adventure of a lifetime? Oh, yeah, let's do this. Whoa, guys, can you believe the amount of rooms they have here? I know, it's really crazy.
Oh, look at this one, guys.
Whoa. This one's insane.
Yeah, dude.
I want that couch.
Live here.
Wait, what is that? Guys, come with me. Wait, are we in front of a house right now? Well, the front door's right there. Wait, what?
Dude.
This is awesome.
Why don't I live here?
Guys, we should go in right now.
Let's go.
All right, sounds good. Guys, they even got a whole kitchen in here. This is insane, guys. It take 15 years of my life to learn about what IKEA is. Guys, for legal reasons, we got to make sure you guys know that we are not sponsored by IKEA. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, we know.
Dude, is that free food?
Oh my God, free food.
Oh
my God, I want to eat it.
That's fake.
Now I'm disappointed.
Wait, dude, there's chicken over here, though.
That's
all right.
fake.
I'm disappointed times 2. Come on, guys, let's just see another room. Okay. Whoa, guys, they got a whole bathroom in here, too.
Shower.
The toilet. Guys, can I shit on the toilet? I can't tell if that's your speech impediment and you're saying sit, or if you're saying you're going to poop on the toilet.
Jeffy.
I don't want to be here to find out.
Yeah, me neither. But fine, I won't do it. Whoa, guys, look at the bedroom in here. This is super nice.
Sick.
Oh my God, this is crazy. We can turn this into our hangout lounge, guys.
Dude, I don't want to be against that. We don't have to deal with Jeffy's stupid dad anymore.
That's true. That's true. Yeah. Look, they got windows over here, guys. Windows in a house in IKEA? What the heck's going on? Oh God, I think people are coming. Come on, we gotta get out of here. Oh,
it jumped over the window.
Oh, jeez. Oh, that hurt so bad. Well, it didn't hurt for me. I had a helmet on.
Junior, sometimes I see the things you do, and it makes me feel as smart as Elon Musk.
Shut up. Oh, my head hurts. You know, we could find cooler bedrooms around here, guys.
Yeah, wait, seriously?
Yeah, let's do it. Whoa, guys, look at this space room.
Yeah, I like that
This
room.
is pretty sick.
I know, there's a whole ass spaceship right there.
Oh, that's awesome. Hey, guys, look at this whale. Guys, look, it's Cody's mom.
Cody's mom joke.
Guys, but to be fair, this room is a little childish. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
All right, let's go find another room, guys. Okay.
Cody's mom.
Yo, guys, we're in the gaming room now.
Oh, this is sick.
They got LED lights.
Look at that shit gaming shit up.
They got hats over there, guys. I'm gonna try one real quick. Hold on. Okay, guys, they kind of stuck this hat to the wall, but I'll be honest, I think I look pretty gangster. What do you guys think? You know what? I think I'm just gonna go.
Yeah, me too, dude.
But you know what? That first room that we went to in the house, that one was sick. I want to go back and hang out there. All right, let's go. I'll catch up to you guys. I'm gonna get out the hat first. Yeah. Oh, I love this bed, Joseph.
Yeah, dude, it's so nice.
I could sit here all day. Hey guys, I'm back. What took you so long, bro? Well, the hat was stuck to the wall, so it got me caught up. Dude, that wasn't funny.
Dude, why?
It doesn't matter. I love this bed, guys. I know. Wonder how much convincing it would take to get our parents to buy us these. I don't know, man. Probably a lot.
Oh, dude, it is $4.99.
$4.99? That's $1,000 for the both of us. Well, how are we gonna do it? I mean, we're just gonna have to show them how comfortable it is to lay here, and just how you could just sink in here, and then you could just sleep in here so comfortable.
And they fell asleep.
We know you're hovering over that button.
I don't care about the game.
We have a better button. We promise. Right on.
All right, what do you think about this one, Marvin?
I hate this one.
What do you mean you hate this one?
Yeah, I mean, look at the wood. It's awful. Why would anyone buy this? It sucks.
All right, well, let's go to another one then, Marvin.
Good.
All right, Marvin, what do you think about this ball lamp? Isn't it aesthetically pleasing?
I hate it. I despise it.
Why do you despise this one, Marvin?
I hate modern design. Look how stupid this is.
I
It's
like
just a
that
ball.
I like.
Well, let's move on to another one then.
Stupid orb.
All right, Marvin, what do you think of this overhead lamp right here? You know, it's really nicely designed, and it could shine light right on your bald-ass head.
Oh my god, this one's immaculate.
Wait, seriously?
Yes, I want it. It's so amazing. I want it.
You'll actually buy it?
Yes, I'll buy it right now.
Oh my god, all things holy, thank you. After 3 hours of looking, 102 different options, I've been keeping count, and not to mention it's 5 minutes before closing, we finally got you a TV and a lamp. You ready to go, Marvin?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Closing in 5 minutes.
Marvin's gonna find out, guys.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh, guys, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Wait, what time actually is it? Hold on. All right.
8:24.
8:24? Oh, no.
Sleep
We
for a
slept in
long
a pretty
time.
long time, guys. Well, do you think Marvin's left already? Nah, my day takes so long to shop. We don't got to worry about that. We should probably make our way out of here, guys. Yeah, true. I just don't know how to get out of here. We'll just follow everyone else. Come on, let's go. All right. Shit, I got my phone. All right, then we'll just get out of here. Where is everyone? I'm not really sure.
I was just a single
I
person.
think the store closed.
Guys, do you think that IKEA is closed?
Yeah.
I don't know.
I hope not. We gotta find an exit fast. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
No one is in
Oh,
here.
there's so many rooms around here. I don't
I mean,
think we're gonna be able to find a way out of here,
IKEA
Junior.
closed.
What?
There's a door.
A door. Come on, let's go. Are you guys sure this is the way out?
No,
I mean, let's give it a try.
Not the way out.
No, it's locked. Guys, we're in a room. There's no way that was gonna be the way out. Whatever.
Just scam.
Oh my god, guys, there's so many rooms.
I know,
so
dude.
many places to go. I don't know where to go, guys.
There's 1,000 options.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Guys, what if we go through that door?
No, that's
I mean,
that's
It does say
important,
exit, but
Jeffy.
Jeffy, if we go through there, it's gonna trip the alarm.
Yeah, it's not worth it, guys.
Yeah, the police are gonna
The police
come.
will
if we do
come.
that. Oh, jeez, come on, we gotta keep going. Oh, there's gotta be something around here. I don't know what to do. Oh my god, I think it's the exit. Guys, get over here. What is it, Jeffy?
That
What is
is
it?
Jeffy.
Oh my god, it's the exit. Come on, guys, we gotta go. Okay, come on, come on.
Freedom.
I'm opening the door first.
Oh, what door?
Dude, it's locked.
Wait, why's your black?
Guys, I think this is a screen.
Yeah,
Why
that's
is that
Jeffy.
real? Why would they do this to us?
They're tricking us. They're playing with
God.
your brain.
Way out, guys.
Oh, guys, it feels like we've already been here.
I know.
Oh, guys, I think we're trapped in IKEA. Oh, man, this sucks.
I warned us.
Guys, I think we're just gonna have to keep trying. This is a really bad idea. Let's go. Oh, guys, are you seeing any exits anywhere? No, not at all.
You said
Oh,
that
this is definitely
Jeffy.
hopeless.
Ah, would you quit it, you young
heck?
whippersnappers?
What
You're
you
waking
doing
me
here?
from a slumber. Monkey Man, what are you doing here?
Monkey Man?
Yeah, you're homeless. You can't buy anything in IKEA. Well, I've been here for the last 2 weeks. They got beds for me to sleep in, and there's a cafeteria with food in it. I don't need anything else. Wait, there's food? Where is it? Where is it? Well, the cafeteria is 3 lefts and a right, and then you'll be there. All right, perfect. Thanks, Monkey Man. All right, see ya. We won't disturb you anymore.
She a monkey man.
Oh, these freaking Gen Zers these days. Whoa, guys. The cafeteria. Oh my god, I can't wait to get some snacks and get
That's
out of
not
here.
the
Let's go,
cafeteria.
guys.
Oh my god, guys. These chips are so good. Wait, seriously, they are?
Are they really?
Yeah, dude, they are so PP.
PP.
Oh, that's awesome. Let's eat these and then go back to the house. All right,
Okay.
let's do it. You know what, guys? I'm going to say it. Being locked in IKEA really isn't that bad. Yeah, if there's any place I'd want to stay overnight, it'd probably be IKEA.
I agree, dude.
You know what? I think we should probably go to bed now. Yeah, that's true.
Not if I do.
Wait a second. Guys, I just realized something. What is it?
What?
Our dad's going to realize that we're gone overnight. Oh, we are so screwed when we get home. Now, you know what? Here's what we're going to do. We're going to get out of here as soon as they open, get home, and then they're not going to notice that we're gone. All right, let's just hope that works. All right, night-night, guys. Night-night.
Doesn't matter for me.
You
The
guys are gonna
next
sleep
day.
in a lot.
Wake up,
Okay,
sport.
bye.
Uh-oh. Am I boned? Yeah, I saw you guys on the cameras last night. It's time for you guys to go. Wait, okay, we'll just go now. No, You know I'm a police officer. I'm going to have to take you guys back to your families. Oh no, we are definitely boned. Come on, guys, let's go. Oh,
Hey,
Junior,
guys.
we're going to be in so much trouble. Oh, come on, Jeffy. Our parents are going to find this really funny.
I don't have parents.
No, they're not going to find this funny at all,
Yeah,
Junior.
they're not.
Oh, yeah, they are. Come on, be
No, they won't,
positive.
Jeffy.
Okay,
no, they
I'm
won't,
positive
Junior.
they're going to be mad at us.
Guys, can we just leave before that guy yells at us again?
All right, let's go.
Hello?
Hey, Marvin. I was at IKEA and I found all of these kits here that may belong to you.
Jeffy, I was worried sick about you.
Oops. Yeah, they were there all night.
Oh, you guys get in here. Come on. Thanks, Brooklyn guy. How could the two of you guys do this?
Wait, 2 of us? What? Where did Joseph go? Doesn't matter. He's not going to get in trouble anyway. You're right.
You had us worried sick all night.
I'm sorry, Daddy. Yeah, me too.
That's okay. I mean, you guys were probably freaked out way more than I was.
Wait, seriously?
No! You guys are double grounded. Go to your rooms now.
Oh.
Bounced from one doctor to
Well,
the next.
well,
Did they even send my lab work?
Don't like you. Well, that was an okay SML parody video of SMLYTP, guys. So yeah, so let me just make your face with them now. Okay, got it, guys. All right. Anyway, guys, that's it for the video. You guys probably watched this video, so thanks for watching. So, see you next time. I'm gonna see you next time. Okay. Bye bye.